with the Lancaster. Following the engine fire last year, one of the recommendations was that we coat the fuel tanks with a flame-proof coating. We've done that, but unfortunately it's just taken a little bit longer, which is one of the reasons why, sadly, the Lancaster isn't all
describing them as now rolling. We have the Airbus A400M, the Atlas. It may be a big beast of an aeroplane, this 4-turboprop airlifter, but it's one that shows a real turn of pace and agility in its display, contributed to us by its manufacturer, Airbus Defence and Space, though it's now very much an operational reality with the Royal Air Force, and indeed there's one of the new Atlas C1s on display in the static park here. This aircraft today being displayed by Airbus, but in Royal Air Force service with 70 Squadron at Royal Air Force Brighton Norton. Following a 10-year planning and building process, Project Future Brides has now come to fruition with around about 3,500 service, reserve, civil servant and industry partners coming in through that main gate every single day. The aircraft of 70 Squadron joining the C-130Js of 24, 30 and 47 Squadrons, and the A330 Voyager aircraft number 10, 101 Squadron. French Air Force it was that brought the A400M into service during 2013. It then joined the Turkish Air Force and the Royal Air Force, the German Luftwaffe, which has one of its first A400Ms in the static park here, and the Royal Malaysian Air Force have followed. The French have already been using their examples to support operations in Mali. The first Spanish Air Force A400M is now painted and should fly this month. And Mark, you're certainly well aware from your day job of how efforts are being made to increase the number of types of runway surface that these aircraft can operate from.
Yeah, in my day job